So in 19.3, we're going to find automobile insurance premiums. We're going to use tables 19.5 and 19.6. It looks as such. This is 19.5, and then we have 19.6. And these, like I said, will be posted. Okay. So starting with an example, we're going to find the annual premium for an automobile policy in which the insured lives in Territory 2, makes occasional payments over 30 days, has a 4-year-old Model Class 2 vehicle, and wishes to have 100/300/100 liability coverage, a comprehensive deductible of $0, and a collision deductible of $1,000. The insured was accident-free for the last 3 years, but received a moving violation during that time. Now, just some important information. If a person is accident-free, they get a 5% discount, and then if they get any tickets or accidents, there's a surcharge of $60, just so some previous information for you. So now the first thing, step 1, what we're going to do is locate the territory, credit rating, and liability limits to get the premium. And this we find in 19.5. So we know that this person is in Territory 2, according to our problem. So Territory 2. And they make occasional payments. So occasional is that OCC one. So Territory 2, occasional payments, and they want a 100/300/100 liability coverage. So we look for that information, 100/300/100, occasional in Territory 2, that's $627. So once we find that, now we're going to start using our 19.6. Okay? So step 2 and 3. We're going to locate the model class, vehicle age, territory credit rating, and deductible for the comprehensive and the collision. Okay? So we look at the territory. There's Territory 1 on top, Territory 2 on the bottom. So we go to Territory 2. And we know that this vehicle, the model class of it, it's a Class 2, according to what is said in the problem. So model Class 2, and we know it's 4 years old. So model Class 2, we're looking for comprehensive first. 4 years old, so the 4 to 5, and we know that this person has occasional credit, and under the 0 deductible would be 0 deductible. You have $481 for comprehensive. Okay, deductible 0. We already know it's comprehensive. We know that. So all important information was picked out. We're good. So now the same for collision. So we go into collision for the $1,000 deductible with occasional credit for the Model 2 for the 4-year-old car. Occasional $475. So now what we have to do is add steps 1, 2, and 3 in order to get the base annual premium. So then when we add them all together, our base annual premium, we add them all together. So base annual premium, we're taking the 627 plus 481 plus 475, and that's going to equal $1,583. So that's our base annual premium. So now that we know our base annual premium from adding those 3 steps together, now we can move on to any discounts that we might have. And we know that this person, the insured person, was free from accidents for 3 years. So we have a 5% discount coming to him. So for the discount, we're taking the base annual premium, which is $1,583, and we're going to multiply it times 5%, or 0.05. And if you're not sure how to convert the 5%, all you do is take the 5% of the 5 and you divide it by 100 to get the decimal. So once we do that, we multiply it and we'll get $79.15. and that's for the discount. And then what we're going to do is add any ticket or surcharge, which we know that he did get a moving violation. That's a ticket. So this person has a $60 charge coming to him. So then what we're going to do is we're going to calculate the total annual premium. So we know we got a $60 charge coming. So your total, I'll put that right over here. So now that we have all the steps, your total annual premium is equal to those three charges. So we have the base annual premium. So the base annual premium, which is $1,583. And from that, we're going to subtract your discount. And then we're going to add any surcharge. So we have the base annual premium minus the discount of $79.15, and then we're going to add the $60 surcharge. So then our total annual premium will be $1,563.85. That's our total annual premium. And that's how you find the total annual premium.